Telling you to stay away from me, and I could never blame you if you started to agree. But they are all idiots, and that's being kind. But if they do not mind their own, I'll end up doing time. Please wait a while until you break my heart. Please stay a spell until you tear me apart. Don't let it end until it starts. Please wait a while until you break my heart. Friends too are telling me that you will never stay. You may not leave tomorrow, but there's gonna come a day. But they are all wants to talk about things going south. And if they can't find good to say, well, they should shut their mouths. But I'm paranoid, so tell me one more time you'll never go. Tell me everyone is wrong. Tell me all the things they'll never know. And if I asked you nice, would you stay here tonight? And if I asked you twice, would you make it alright? Please wait a while until you break my heart. Please stay a spell until you tear me apart. Don't let it end until it starts. Please wait a while until you break my heart. Wait a while until you break my heart. Please stay. Woke up on the couch again, trying to understand why I am here and you are there. But it ain't my couch and I don't care. Well, the phone don't work and the bell don't ring, and I can't think about anything. I'm catching a glare of bad TV, wishing you'd come back to me. Well, it's 9 in the morning, I got a whole day to kill. Afraid to think about you, afraid I will. Afraid I will. Another day to kill. Afraid I will. Just more time to fill. I'm afraid I will. I'm afraid I will. I'm afraid I will think about you. I'm staring at a picture frame, wondering what has changed. I got one clean glass and a bottle of wine, but I got no plans and that's just fine. And the days creep by and the night stands still, but I don't know if I ever will. I'm catching a tan of a crazy mood, wishing you'd come back here soon. Well, it's 1 in the morning, I got a whole night to kill. Afraid to think about you, afraid I will. Afraid I will. Another day to kill. Afraid I will. Just more time to fill. I'm afraid I will. I'm afraid I will. I'm afraid I will think about you.
Georgetown. They were wearing Harris tweed and pork pie hats. They slit your throat and throw you in the gutter. But it's all you can expect from men like that. The bus is bound for Niles, Benton Harbor. The ladies wear perfume to scar your nose, and the only way to reach them is to scare them. But that you know little, I suppose. It's a magical and mystical performance as you perambulate right down the road, with your pockets full of stardust and perfection, and Jesus on your side, in your soul. Jet rings on every finger and 10 bracelets. Some touch the powers given by a sage. He had contemplated giving her his wristwatch. The time for him had long since gone its way. Of the city, he would shuffle, while spinning on his heels and chewing beef. He had promised her he'd be a vegetarian, but he could not control his lust for meat. Some say she left the streets for pretty glory, but others said that she was big with child. Whatever was the truth, it did not matter. He would hunt her down and cut her with his smile. Last time he was seen was by the porch. He traded 2 gold teeth for a sack of corn, and he would plant it on the outskirts of the city as a warning that he would someday return. He said he never found her and he's still looking. It is said he searches rivers for some sign, but the truth is that he caught her down in Georgetown with a Spaniard who had left his wife behind.
never repent of anything that made you smile. You really love, always laugh. How much beauty did you leave? Life is hard, never repent of anything that make you smile. You really love, always laugh. How much beauty did you leave? Life is hard, never repent of anything that make you smile. You really love, always laugh. How much beauty did you
Everyone's in a hurry, everyone's in a rush, trying to make their dreams come true before they have to take her out on the midnight bus. The more you try to fight it, the more you come to find that bus is gonna be there to pick you up, and it's gonna be right on time. Right on time, right on time. You can bet it's gonna be right on time. You tell me that you want a good job, you tell me that you like yourself a good woman too, but you jump on the first thing that comes along, then the woman and the foreman walk all over you. The more you try to force it, the more you come to find that woman and the job you want will come to you, and they're gonna be right on time. Right on time, right on time. Well, you know they'll be right on time. So you wanna kill the innocent, so you wanna steal cars. You can live a life of crime and never get caught, but when the bus pulls up, you won't be getting far. The more you try to cheat it, the more you come to find that you reap what you sow, and that crop's gonna grow, and it's gonna grow right on time. Right on time, right on time. Well, it's gonna grow right on time. The more you try to fight it, the more you come to find that bus is gonna be there to pick you up. It's gonna be right on time.
Pulling to another fifth wheel, it's the fourth one down this line. I've been driving too many dirtbag highways, and I know I'm losing town. Yeah, I know I'm losing town. A couple more beers will ease the pain of a life I know is half down the drain. There's a lot of things I could do if I could get myself off this stool. get myself off this stool. 'Cause I got the road to meet me, I got the road to greet me. I got a picture in my wall that goes with the name on my left arm. Yeah, the name on my left arm. This year I'm gonna go down south when it's so damn cold. Got me down in the mouth. Pretty senoritas, a picture margaritas out. Me and my buddy Jerry Reed. Yeah, me and my buddy Jerry Reed. 'Cause I got the road to meet me, I got the road to greet me. I got a picture in my wall that goes with the name on my left arm. Yeah, the name on my left arm. Alright. Says, hey man, sell the rig, get a job with me on the line, man, raise yourself a couple of kids. And I say, Earl, that's a real pearl, man, but I'd be dead within a week. Yeah, I'd be dead within a week. 'Cause I got the road to meet